What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a quick video on Forscan, how to search for spreadsheets. Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so Memorial Day weekend is coming up this weekend. I got a ton of stuff going on at work, at the camper, so I just figured I'd make this video quick and simple because a lot of people ask, you know, how do I find a spreadsheet? I don't know what to do. I think the majority of people know that you have to log out of Forscan, and first you need to go through the process of being accepted into Forscan. Once you are accepted, you can go onto the website, you can log in, and then you can start searching the forums. So I think most of you understand that. It's in my previous videos. So in this video, I'm actually just going to take you through searching and see what we find, and we'll go from there. So I have not pre-done anything, so we should get a pretty good look at real time what it takes for you guys to go into forscan.org and try and find a spreadsheet. So this is the welcome screen it brings you to here. I believe this is just the home screen. It used to take you to what's new, but now it looks like it takes you to the home screen. So first off, we're going to go into the forum, and to go into the forum you need to be able to be a member. So I already am, but once you're accepted in, you just go ahead, go into login here, and that's it. So first thing you want to do is go into configuration and programming. These are the forums where all the spreadsheet stuff is going to be. Now I haven't been in here a long time, so this should give you like a real-time like how to search and everything. So it should be as good as it gets to accuracy for you guys. So it's already got stuff in here, so from before. So first I'm gonna search for spreadsheet. We'll go off of that first. Some stuff that comes up are people basically looking for spreadsheets. So we're in spreadsheet now. Let's get it down quicker. Somebody messaged me the other day, said they had a 2016 Ford Fusion. So we're just gonna go into Fusion, see if we can find a spreadsheet there. Does anyone know? And it looks like we might have something here, so let's see what this is. So these are, so here's as-built decodings here. So we have 2015 on up F-150s, 2013 on up Fusions. So this one here I've been in before. This is Google Docs, and then this is going to be, I believe this is Microsoft Excel. But either way, if you're computer savvy, you can download this stuff and print it out. So let's go to the Fusion one, just so I can help this guy out. So this is, let's see. It says, you know, 2014 on up, so I'm assuming that a lot of stuff didn't change from then to now. So so basically this is the spreadsheet here. You know, here's global windows, factory remote start. You can enable, disable fog lights. Say you add fog lights down the road and your Fusion didn't come with fog lights, you can enable them there. Yeah, anything you need realistically is right here. So this is the Fusion one. So hopefully I'll have to shoot this this link over to that guy in the comments. So I'll do that in a little bit here, but let's go back here. Whoops, didn't want that. So Fusion. Oh yeah, okay. Go right back here, and then so here's the ones for the F-150s. I mean, this is what pretty much everybody tries to find right here. So let's open this one, and like I said, this one is in let's see, this one is in an Excel format here. So, and then you have all your different tabs down here for your control modules here. It defaults right here to the body control module. That's your first one here, but you can go into common, your common tab here. This is all the big ones that people use right here. So one of the big ones that I really like are your daytime running lamps. So these are all of it right here. So what I have on mine are parking lights and turns only. So on this, it enables the amber light trim around my headlight housing, as well as my blinkers in the middle. So it gives you like a bright daytime running lamp effect. I really like that one. But this is, I mean, it's as easy as this, guys. You just gotta get access to the forum, get in here. Here's Explorers spreadsheet, Super Duties, Ford Flex, Ford Taurus, and people are constantly working on these. And oh, look at this, Sync 3 programming. I haven't seen this one before. No, yeah, that's why I haven't seen it. It's nothing. But yeah, so short quick video, but here it is, man. But yeah, if you go back here to, let's go back to it's funny I can't get back to home now. There, you know, adapters and connections. In here, people are going to talk about what adapters are you using. People are going to tell you what adapters don't work. I know I've put my adapter in a couple of links, but I don't put it in every video. And to be quite honest with you, not too long after, those links, those postings on like Amazon or whatever get deleted. They make new ones and the links don't work anyway. But if you ask me for a link in the comments, I will I'll put the link to, you know, like the USB adapter that I have. I'll put that in the comments so you can see which one I got. And I did order it in the US. Somebody wound up finding it in China, but they're gonna wait forever for it. But mine did come from somewhere in the US. That's pretty much it, guys. It's easy, easy. Maintenance and diagnosing. You know, I probably could have went in here for my my issue I had with my intake manifold runner, but I didn't because I already knew what the issue was anyway, and Ford was taking care of it. But if Ford wasn't taking care of it, I would have come in here and searched around in here anyway. But once again, guys, you got a whole community of people here that do this. And work on this, so just check it out. It's as easy as that, but here you go. I mean, Fusion spreadsheet, and then the most popular one, the F-150 2015 on up. But if you got an older year, people post stuff in here. Just go in the comments or the forum, ask questions, search, keep searching, you know, because on my search, I first searched for spreadsheet, and then after that, I dwindled it down into like the Ford Fusion. That's it, guys. And there you have it, guys. Really short, simple, sweet, and perfect. That's how you do it. You know, keep searching. Sometimes certain keywords work better than others. I've had to use F-150 before, spreadsheet before, and whatever. I just figured it out on my own. By just doing a bunch of different things. If you're looking for one certain thing, like disabling the My Key feature. Sometimes these are the same depending on whether you're working on an Explorer or a Fusion, but you just gotta ask the community out there, and that's why the forums are there. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully everybody has a wonderful Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you next time. Later.